The A8s is the latest high-end mini receiving card from NovaStar. Developed by NovaStar in 2017, this receiving card was created with complete functions to solve the technical problem of low brightness and high grayscale. Designed with anti-loosening, dust-proof and high-density connectors, the A8s is highly stable and reliable. Its unique 18-bit plus and ClearView technologies deliver enhanced picture quality with much smoother, more detailed images. 18-bit plus is an image processing technology pioneered by NovaStar in 2017. NovaStar is the first to create this technology in the LED display industry. 18-bit plus can make the grayscale of your LED screen 4 times higher. NovaStar has solved the problem of grayscale loss caused by the decrease of screen brightness. Low brightness and high grayscale have been improved, making image display much smoother and expressiveness more powerful. ClearView was created to adjust the texture, size, and contrast of different areas of images. This technology is based on the human visual system so as to present image details in a more lively and vivid way and make each pixel clearly visible. Working with M-Control R5, the A8s supports free rotation and enables more creativity. We will bring out beautiful details in your pictures through our innovations. We are developing more functions to help support engineers and make their work easier and more efficient. Automatic backup and recovery for firmware without having to worry about locating customized programs. One-click restore for cabinet configuration files. Restore the cabinet to normal display instantly. Rest assured with the fail-proof armor. Dual backup for calibration coefficients. Disordered calibration coefficients can be restored through one click. Unleash your creativity. There is no need to worry about mixing and using different cabinets. We never stop exploring and moving forward to meet your needs. Smart module, integrated network transformer, automatic calibration, and mapping have all been created to make things simpler and more efficient for you. Experience the best.